everyone, this is Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will explain about affiliate marketing. This video is targeted towards beginners, so if you're just starting out or looking to start affiliate marketing and make some money online in 2023, then this video will be very valuable to you. I will show you everything about affiliate marketing step by step. Before we begin, if you're interested in learning about making money online, please subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell to receive more videos about making money online. Now, let's start at it.
So firstly, we need to understand what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a company's product, and you earn a commission when customers make a purchase through the link you provide. You can promote products or services on your own website, blog, or social media channels.
Affiliate marketing is when you promote a company's products and, in return, receive a commission. For example, you can imagine it as the job of a car salesperson who doesn't own the cars but shows them to people. If someone buys a car, they earn a commission. This is essentially one form of affiliate marketing that applies to the internet and a variety of products. In fact, most companies have affiliate marketing programs.
Why choose affiliate marketing? Let me give you 5 reasons. Low startup cost. Affiliate marketing requires little to no upfront investment, making it a cost-effective way to start an online business. No customer interaction. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to handle customer support or product fulfillment. Your focus is on promoting products or services. Flexibility and convenience. Affiliate marketing allows you to work from anywhere and choose your own schedule. You have the freedom to promote products or services that interest you. Monetize your interests. You can select products or services that align with your interests or niche, enabling you to promote something you genuinely enjoy and have knowledge about. Building a professional website. Having your own website enhances the credibility of your affiliate marketing business. It attracts visitors, showcases your expertise, and helps in recommending products or services.
Think of companies like Nike, eBay, or any company selling products. They often have affiliate marketing programs. You are simply doing marketing for the company, and they give you a small commission. It's an interesting business model because it doesn't require you to actually own or purchase the products, you just focus on marketing. You don't own the products, and there's no inventory involved. Usually through something called an affiliate link. The company provides you with a unique link. For example, if I collaborate with Amazon to promote their products, we might establish a partnership, and they would give me a special link for their products. Whenever someone clicks on that special link, whether it's on your website or your Instagram, Twitter or TikTok, if they purchase something through your link, the affiliate marketer receives a commission. All of this is predetermined in a contract, including how much compensation you will receive. With affiliate marketing, the process becomes much simpler as you don't have to deal directly with customers. The initial cost is very low. As long as you have a computer and internet connection, you can engage in affiliate marketing from anywhere in the world. I can say that you can do it completely for free.
The specific process of affiliate marketing. Choose relevant affiliate programs in your field or areas of expertise to ensure that the products or services you promote align with the interests of your audience. Create an account with the selected affiliate programs and obtain unique affiliate links to promote the products or services. Share the affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media platforms to attract potential customers and earn commissions when they click on the links. Utilize an affiliate tracking system to record purchase behavior, identify top-performing products or services, and validate successful referrals. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates. The payment models in affiliate marketing. There are 4 payment models in affiliate marketing. Pay-per-click, PPC. Affiliates earn a commission each time a user clicks on their affiliate link and is redirected to the advertiser's website. The commission rate is usually low and does not guarantee sales or conversions. Pay-per-sale, PPS. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale made through their unique affiliate link. The commission is typically a percentage of the sale price. Pay-per-lead, PPL. Affiliates earn a commission for generating leads or registrations for the advertiser. The commission is a fixed amount per lead generated. Cost per action, CPA. Affiliates earn a commission when users they refer take specific actions, such as filling out a form, downloading a free trial, subscribing to a newsletter, etc. The commission is a fixed amount per action taken. Each payment model has its advantages, and it's important to choose a program that aligns with your goals and target audience. Be sure to carefully read the terms and conditions of the affiliate program to understand the specific payment model and commission structure. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay updated on the latest video releases. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding the video, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.